Heya, welcome to this new video. This video is about this amazing G-Wagon and the beautiful country it came from.
I know where it is and where not.
Welcome to beautiful Romania.
We are looking for a oldtimer G-Wagon. Why oldtimer? Because in the Netherlands we have a rule. Your road tax is for the weight of the car. So if you have a 1995 G-Wagon, you pay diesel. You pay like more than 1,000 euros for 3 months in road tax. So we knew it had to be an oldtimer. It had to be a diesel, and we wanted a five-door. We wanted a long wheelbase G-Wagon. So we start searching for that. I think maybe even 6 or 7 months already, and we couldn't find a G-Wagon that we liked. So then eventually, one day in February this year, I saw a G-Wagon in Romania, because I was, normally you search like 100 kilometers, 500 kilometers, but for this car we went like whole Europe. And yeah, we found this really amazing G-Wagon. That's what we wanted. So yeah, we wanted to see the car in real life. We hopped on a plane from Eindhoven to Cluj-Napoca. And let's see the car, we thought, and that's what we did. What could possibly go wrong, right? So there we were, 2 guys flying from the Netherlands from a sunny day to Romania. We arrived in the evening. It was dark and snowy, and yeah, it was quite a difference with the Netherlands. We rented the car, went for maybe an hour drive to the mountains already. It was a crazy experience for me, at least. Welcome to Romania, guys.
Hello guys.
With the pizza. First impressions are really good. Good morning from snowy Romania. Today we're gonna pick up a new car. Unfortunately, Koen couldn't join, so I'm here with my good friend Saben from the Audi 200. So we are going to pick up a car in Romania, hopefully, if it's okay. And if so, then we'll see you soon. We made the appointment the day after, and we went to drive to a city in the mountains, a little village. We couldn't get in contact with the owner anymore. So we were quite a bit stressing already, because yeah, you are in a foreign country, maybe they just ignore you and you're Yeah. So eventually we came into Kujir, a little village in the mountains of Romania, and we had to check if the car was worth flying for and yeah, doing all this crazy stuff. But we arrived and the owner was very nice, the hospitality was crazy. We arrived, we looked at the car, the chassis was the most important for us. The frame had to be rust-free and the car should be in a good condition. So yeah, we were quite happy when we arrived. There were some spots from the bad paintwork, so to say, but the frame was okay. Then he went and best idea ever to take us on a little off-road test drive, the first drive we had. And he took us immediately on the beautiful mountain view in mountains with bears and crazy animals.
I didn't put the differential because it doesn't need.
Doesn't need? Right?
I know where it is and where not.
Yeah, we were so amazed by how well the car drove up the hills without its 4x4 on and the differentials locked. He drove us up the mountain. We both had no off-road experience prior to that. So yeah, we were getting more and more in love with the G-Wagon. It was a really crazy moment for me.
Wow! my god.
Stand there, we're gonna take a picture.
Oh my god. Oh my
You
god.
don't want to go here, it's a better view.
Yeah, of course. Oh, look at this.
When is autumn,
Yeah.
we have a competition annually here in that place.
I see a lot of people right here.
Yeah.
It's not forbidden to ride right here? Welcome to beautiful Romania.
So after this moment, we were crazy in love with the G-Wagon. We both knew we were talking Dutch to each other. Yes, I think we're gonna buy it. We're getting to drive it 2,000 kilometers back through Eastern Europe. And yeah, so we made a deal with the owner. We drove back to his place.
When you this one, someone like this one, you see.
So we tried to get the car on transit plates, but it wouldn't work anymore. It was Friday evening. There was no possibility to get the plates on to drive back the same day. That's what our plan was actually. So we had to stay over for the weekend. We need to go back on Monday to the government appointment. So we made an appointment Monday morning and had to spend 2 days in different cities in Romania and eventually take the train back for 3-4 hours to Alba, where we would go to the governmental building.
So, we're currently walking in Romania. We need to wait for 3 days. We bought the car, but not possible to get the transit license plates in 1 day. So now we have to wait till after the weekend. But we have a good mood here. So Zavin, what do you think of Romania? What are we doing currently? Waiting 3 days for what?
Just for something.
Okay.
So after 3 days in Romania, we had some sightseeing, saw some pretty unknown places. We couldn't find any information about them. It was really beautiful. Also, Cluj-Napoca. Don't ask me how to pronounce it. I don't know, but I think that's the way it's pronounced. It was really a nice city, really nice people. Hospitality really different than in Western Europe. Yeah, time to drive the G-Wagon back. The deal was closed, paperwork was ready. So start the journey back to the Netherlands all the way, about 1,800 kilometers. So we started driving and after 20 minutes we saw the window wipers were stopping to work. That was the first little problem. So put the car on the other side of the road. The owner gave us some tools with us, like 3-4 tools, screwdriver and some basic stuff. We have fixed everything on the whole road with those 4 tools. So if you're seeing this, thank you again for the amazing planning for us.
wipers don't work anymore after maybe 20 minutes in the car, but we'll fix that.
So yeah, we were driving back, had some little problems, get to know the car. It was really nice actually. And then we arrived at the first border crossing in Hungary, Romania to Hungary. We have a little clip of it. First border crossing at Hungary, Romania to Hungary. Still 1500 kilometers to go. Very nice view here. In a really nice G-Wagon. We took a detour to Budapest. We both never been there. So yeah, we wanted to see the city. Was worth driving, maybe 1 hour extra for. And we were driving with music on. There was like a G63 behind us, and my friend hit a curb. Shouldn't be a big problem normally, but we were fully loaded with spare parts and really, really heavy. So I think that's where the first real problem started. So after Budapest, we didn't really notice there was a problem with the car. It started about, I think, 30 minutes later. If you're in a car like this and you have a big wind on the highway, you notice that the car isn't that stable. So first we thought it was something like that, or the road isn't smooth. We thought, whoa, it's quite a long way that the road isn't smooth. How is this possible? So we stopped at a gas station near the highway. And yeah, we saw, oh shit, we have a big problem. So we have a little problem over here. The strut broke down. So, oh sorry. Left rear strut broke off. So yeah, there was quite a mood breaker there, because we were next to the highway, no one there. We had basic tools. I called the owner just for advice, like, is it possible to drive on? Because he knew the G-Wagon from in and out. He said to us, whatever, the whole night you can call me, we'll fix it. He was telling us, yeah, you know, if you remove the strut, the spring won't be able to come out, so you should be able to drive on. We were like, oh, is this real? Can we do this? Is it safe? Well, let's try it out. So trying to fix it right now. To get the strut off and take it with us in the car. And it's loose. So we can continue our journey. The first meters we already immediately starting to bump over the road. Which was quite an experience for 1100 kilometers. It was like we were in a roller coaster for half of the night. So we are still on our way, a little bit more bumpy, but still manageable. So
Concentrating like crazy right now.
Concentrating really hard, but we'll make it, no worries. But we had one free Maybach GLS option. So after more than 30-hour trip, we left about 1 p.m. in Romania, and we
arrived, I think, at 4 o'clock the day after. We still wanted to make the strut before showing it to our friends or family, because yeah, you don't want to show a broken car. So we just fixed we welded the strut back and then showed Koen what he thought of our G-Wagon.
Heya! Heya! First impressions in the G-Wagon. Real nice.
Nice.
It was a really nice experience. Would do it again immediately. I overall really like Eastern Europe. I think it's really different from the Western countries here. People in the Netherlands maybe talk a bit bad about Romania or some other countries, but when you've been there, you think I think it's a really nice place. Just get some crazy car in a foreign country. Let's see what adventures we go through. I think it was. Same color, shouldn't be a problem.